Oh my God. It's foggy as heck.
It's nice though, man.
Yeah.
I love when it's foggy.
No wind.
Nice day today though.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody's all, it's gonna be ugly, it's gonna be all windy. Daniel's all, it's gonna be windy.
He was gonna come out today?
Yeah,
Oh.
and then it dropped. They cut all the wind off, man. I was like, dude, I'm gonna go. Yesterday was supposed to be ugly and it fucking stayed pretty nice all day.
Mm-hmm.
Like, hell with it, bro. I had nothing else to do.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's my only days off, so I try to get them as I can.
Yeah, I know, same here.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Hell with it. Right on. You want to jump in and
Alright.
go to the front? I got the rope.
Welcome back to another episode. Today we're chasing after some halibut. We're going to be trolling. I got my cousin back there, Amato. This past month, we're in November now, but this past October has been just an absolute crazy month for halibut fishing. I've caught 8 halibut in the month of October, and that was all from shore. And so yeah, today we're hitting it from my cousin's boat, and hopefully we can find them. Like, when did you get the boat and all that?
Back in October last year. It's a Bay Runner, 18 foot.
Okay.
And basically I bought it. I got a screaming deal on it. New motors. Everything's came with it. It's just drop in the water and go.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's been a good boat. We fished the heck out of it towards the end of rock season in October, and it's been really good, man.
Nice.
No problems. Got all the bells and whistles on it. Just put my rods in and go.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I couldn't ask for a better boat.
Dang, as I started recording, they stopped. What the heck? Dang.
I know,
Where'd they
thought
go?
the same thing. There's some more right here in front of us.
They're camera shy.
Yeah, there's a grip of them. Look at it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
I was like, maybe I should leave it in the rod holder.
No, you're good. Just point it more this way, bro. Point it more towards your left. There you go.
Oh.
Bring them in slowly.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh my God. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh, my personal best is 34. Oh, this feels bigger.
I believe it.
Oh my God. This thing's gonna take a while to bring it. Okay.
Good girl. Fucking hog, bro. Got another 15 feet. Woo. That's a monster, dude. Slowly. Keep going. Point your rod down a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Keep him in the water.
Whoa!
Keep him in the water. Keep reeling. You're almost there. There you go. Keep going. Right at the back of the boat. A little bit more. Keep him in the water. Point your rod towards the south. Point it up more as much as you can.
Whoa, let's go! Woo! Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah!
Let's go! Oh. Wow, that felt like forever.
Yeah!
Okay,
Look at that beast.
all right. Okay,
You got pliers?
yeah.
Go ahead and pull that hook out. You got a nice jaw.
Oh, dude, that might be a new personal best.
Woo!
Oh.
That sucker's fat, bro.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Huh?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
My forearms burn. So my personal best is 34 inches. What is that?
38.
38? Let's freaking go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh. Oh boy. Oh, new personal best, 38 inches. Wow. Oh my god, look at that mouth, baby. 38 inch halibut.
That's a nice one. Dude, the fatty, that's huge, bro.
I know.
Woo.
So that is gonna wrap it up. We got our personal best 38 inch halibut.
It was a decent day for the weather and everything. You know what I mean? The little side swell we had, but overall, can't complain. You know what I mean? It was a nice day on the water. Your biggest fish. You know what I mean? It was good.
Yeah, so 38 inches, that's gonna be hard to beat. You know, we only got one fish and then maybe a small strike. But other than that, successful day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, see you on the next episode. Peace.